Have you ever stood next to something so massive that it made you feel like an ant? Well, today we're talking about a machine that would make even the tallest person on Earth feel absolutely tiny. This is the Liebherr T 284, one of the largest and most powerful mining trucks ever built, and trust me, the numbers behind this beast are almost impossible to believe. Let's start with the basics. The Liebherr T 284 is an ultra-class mining haul truck, designed specifically for the most demanding open-pit mining operations on the planet. When we say ultra-class, we don't mean it lightly. This truck has a payload capacity of 363 metric tons. That's not a typo. 363 metric tons of raw material, coal, iron ore, copper, you name it, loaded into the bed of a single truck and hauled across a mine site with stunning efficiency. Now let's talk about size, because the dimensions of this truck are truly mind-blowing. The T 284 stands over 7.7 meters tall. That's roughly the height of a 2.5-story building. It stretches nearly 15 meters in length and over 9 meters wide. The tires alone are about 4 meters tall. A full-grown adult can stand next to one of those tires and barely reach the top of the rim. Everything about this machine is designed on a scale that challenges your brain to process it. Under the hood, well, technically inside the massive engine bay, sits a powerhouse that matches the truck's incredible size. The T 284 is powered by a diesel-electric drive system, which is one of the smartest engineering decisions Liebherr ever made. The engine generates around 3,650 horsepower, and rather than using a traditional mechanical drivetrain, that power is converted into electricity and fed directly to electric motors mounted at each of the rear wheels. This system gives drivers incredible control, smooth acceleration, and remarkable energy efficiency, even for a machine this size. The result is a truck that doesn't just move dirt, it moves mountains, one load at a time. What makes the T 284 stand out from its competitors isn't just its raw power, it's the technology packed into every system. Liebherr developed its own drive system in-house, called the Liebherr Litronic Plus. This proprietary system allows for real-time monitoring of the truck's performance, giving operators and mine managers live data on everything from tire pressure and fuel consumption to payload weight and mechanical diagnostics. In mining, downtime costs millions of dollars per hour, so having a truck that can flag potential issues before they become breakdowns is an absolute game changer. The operator's cab is another area where Liebherr went above and beyond. Sitting inside the T 284, you'd almost forget you're operating one of the heaviest vehicles on Earth. The cab is designed for comfort and ergonomics, with an air suspension seat, climate control, low noise levels, and a commanding view of the mine floor below. Safety systems are integrated throughout, including emergency braking, rollover protection, and advanced lighting systems for around-the-clock operation. These trucks run 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, in some of the harshest environments on Earth, from the freezing mines of Canada to the scorching open pits of Australia. In terms of fuel and operating costs, the diesel-electric system gives the T 284 a serious edge. The regenerative braking system actually recovers energy when the truck is descending a grade, feeding that power back into the electrical system. Over thousands of cycles in a working mine, that efficiency adds up to significant savings, making the T 284 not just a mechanical marvel, but a smart business investment. The Liebherr T 284 has been deployed in mines across North America, Australia, South America, and beyond. It has proven itself as a reliable, powerful, and technologically advanced machine that continues to set the standard in ultra-class mining. So whether you're a mining professional, an engineering enthusiast, or just someone who loves incredible machines, the Liebherr T 284 deserves every bit of attention it gets. This is what happens when human engineering pushes the boundaries of what's possible, and it's absolutely spectacular.